All right, now we'll sort these boogers into these little traps here, and it'll probably be 2 colts per trap, maybe even 3, and that's okay. I want them to buddy up right now. Later on, we're only going to be 1 colt per trap. These traps are only 10 foot by 10 foot, so they can't hold too many of them, but three's enough for sure. I'll tell you what, I'll try to sort one of them out of there. We'll just have 2 in that trap. Well, how about none in that trap? That's okay. Let them get relaxed to this whole deal. So there, we got 2 of them sorted off from the group, and it's the same 2 that were in there just a second ago. There. Oh, see, that's what I didn't want right there. But he's okay. He's okay. Take it easy, boys. Okay, these 2 guys these are pretty gentle colts right here. I think we got the 2 most fractious ones in the trap there first. So go ahead, buddy. 2 of y'all gonna go? There you go. That's all right. They just kind of get focused on what I'm doing, and they just miss the hole. It's not like they're trying to do anything wrong. They're just looking for where they're supposed to be, just like everybody else. So I'll just take them by a couple of times right here. That colt saw that hole that time, but it was a little bit too late. He couldn't make that turn fast enough, so I'll bring him back. There. Just want it to be nice and orderly. Patience is the key, and it's the name of the game. If you're going to be in a hurry, you really got no business doing this stuff. Go ahead, boys.